Have you been looking for more space for your growing family? Then look no further. 58 Artreeva Drive is available for the first time in more than 60 years, and it's an incredible opportunity to transform this huge bungalow into your dream home. Come on in, let me show you around. The wide foyer welcomes you and features a well-sized double closet. The incredibly spacious, open-concept living and dining room feature large windows and are perfect for entertaining. The large family-sized eating kitchen is amazing for cooking and eating together. The primary bedroom is spacious and features a 3-piece ensuite, walk-in closet, and overlooks the backyard. 2 other well-sized bedrooms and a large 5-piece main bathroom completes the main floor. The bonus 4th bedroom has a 2-piece ensuite bathroom and would also be wonderful as a family room or office. The basement features high ceilings, a separate entrance, 2 rec rooms, a bedroom, and a 4th bathroom. This much-loved home on one of the best streets in Bathurst Manor is ready for a new beginning. Don't miss the opportunity. Book your showing today.